I know what you're thinking. Glass is fragile. Why would I want it in my kitchen? You don't have to worry about any of that with IMAGIO glass. We're always talking about how durable IMAGIO solid glass backsplashes are. And it's absolutely true. They are. But one of the most common questions that we're asked is what happens if a pan hits it? Okay guys, I've got all my safety gear on, I've got my pan, and we have our piece of IMAGIO tempered glass here to demonstrate with. So, you asked, we're going to show you. One more. Now while we don't recommend doing this to your glass backsplash at home, you can see here that the tempered IMAGIO glass held up well to being beat with a pan. Now we're going to take it a little step further and see what happens when a hammer gets involved. As you can see guys, not only did the IMAGIO tempered glass hold up to the pan, but it also handled the hammer. So what I've got over here now is going to be a regular piece of glass, and we're going to do the same demonstration and see what's going to happen. So we'll start with the pan. Okay, so it held up to the pan. Let's see the hammer. That's the IMAGIO difference when it comes to glass backsplashes. When you're ready to get your new IMAGIO glass project started, give us a call at 888-998-0010. You can also visit us online anytime at www.imagioglass.com.